Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all. Hi, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Today we're going to do another side dish for Thanksgiving table, and this is going to be a little bit of sauteed potato, and this is potato wedges, and just like you do your mashed potato, this is a little bit different from the mashed potato. So I have over here little bit of asafoetida, olive oil 1 tablespoon, and I have a little bit of cumin seed, and I'm going to do a little bit of roasting this, and then I will drop my potato wedges. So this is roasted a little bit. Don't burn it, just a little bit of roasting. I'm going to drop my potato wedges. Put a little bit of water in it, just a little, not too much. So just a little bit of water because I want these potatoes to get a little bit soft. And then I'm going to pour some spices to it. I got turmeric, I got salt, I got vegetable masala and garam masala. So I'm just going to pour all of them in. And we're going to cook this one about 10 minutes. Just for the potatoes to get soft. And you can cover it if you wish. So I'll show you the finished product 10 minutes later. And to garnish it, I will put on top some cilantro, chopped cilantro leaves, and that's it. We're done. Very simple, very easy, and adds another variety to your Thanksgiving table beside mashed potatoes. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. I'll cover it and put some cilantro leaves on it. Something like this right now, and I'm just going to simmer it, cover it in for 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.